Hi, Sarah here with my little helper. I'm going to say hi.
Hi.
Say, wave, do your hands, wave. Hi.
Hi.
And we are going to be opening the Lollipop box today. And Joel is going to show us what's in it. Go on then. What's that? What's this?
It's a little menu.
A menu? It's a postcard.
We could stick it on a post.
Okay then, what's in here? You open it. That sticker. There we go.
Whoa! What's this again? It got lights on.
Oh, pretty.
Let's open the other one and see what's inside. Whoa! What's this?
What is it?
Look, it's a mushroom.
It is a mushroom.
We could put.
You put it there.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's this one?
There was another bag of some Christmas things.
Christmas things.
Yeah. Oh, let's see what's inside. Ah, what is this?
Ooh.
It's a mushroom stick.
It is. That's cute, isn't it? What else is inside?
Oh, it's another lollipop stick with mushroom on.
Little mushrooms for decorating. Shall we open another one?
Yes. Oh, it's a Christmas tree one.
Okay. Do you need some help?
I
No,
do.
you've got it.
Need a little look for that. I need a new hairstyle.
A new hair. You need a new hairstyle. Okay. What have we got here? We've got daily to-do list, and we've got some pretty cards. Wow, what have you got there?
What's this?
It's some pretty ribbon. That's nice.
And what's this?
What does that say?
Thank you.
Clever boy. Yes, it does. It's a little card to send to someone. So you can send someone some nice mail. And what's these?
It's a card.
Some stickers. Little stickers.
Oh,
You've missed one. You've missed something. What's that?
These are little things.
Reindeers and trees, and they're wooden. They're pretty. What else have you got?
Let's see what's inside that bag. What's this?
Yeah, they're tabs to add onto planners, I think. And then to-do lists. I think, is that it? Yep. What have we got all here? What's that? Is it a little badge? Is it a little flare?
Oh, what's this? Happy.
Ooh.
That says happy.
It does say happy. Clever boy.
And what's this?
What's that?
It's a lollipop.
It is a lollipop.
And what's this here? Let's take a look inside.
Okay. pretty
Reindeer.
reindeer. There's a little planner charm. That's nice, isn't it?
Wow.
Wow.
Thing to do list. And what
What's
do we
there?
got here? Let's take a look inside.
Okay.
Where's the opener?
What have you got there?
Some sticking things.
Some ephemera.
We need these to stick them on.
Yeah, you'd need glue to stick those ones on. And they're all pretty trees and mushrooms, aren't they? And what's this?
Let's have a look inside. Let's see. What do we got in here? Ooh, let's take a look inside. Ah, what's this?
We've got some clear stamps.
To put on the postcard.
Yeah, you could put them on the postcard. And what's here? Is that another? It's another pretty illustration on there, isn't it?
Look at them.
We'll leave them on there for now, darling, or they'll get lost. What else is in the box? What else can you find? There's lots of things, isn't there?
What are these?
Are they stickers?
They're more stickers.
Nice. Is that the last thing?
Not yet. Not yet.
Have you got a rumbly tumbly? Have you got a rumbly tom?
Oh, what's this? Ah, hello.
What are these?
Them.
They're pretty, aren't they?
Yeah.
And there's these ones.
Oh,
And these ones.
and look
And
at
these ones.
this. And
That's that's not from in the box, is it? And we've got this. And we've got these. Is that everything?
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's some pretty heart paper too, isn't there? Oh, okay. We're doing some sticking with the ATG. Okay then. Are you going to carry on with that? Should we say thanks for joining us today?
Thanks for doing that today.
And can you wave? Say bye.
Bye.
What, are you going to stick that on?
I'll do list.
You do that one. Okay.
Monday. Bye, little box. Bye.